Hey everybody, JD here once again. Been a busy weekend. Um, my son-in-law had a party for my daughter whose birthday is this coming Thursday. So yesterday I spent most of the day doing laundry and taking a drive to Los Banos. Spent the afternoon with my daughter, her husband, and our in-laws. It was great, great. Had a nice dinner at an Italian restaurant in Los Banos. Um, and then I was supposed to get my tires on my little orange jelly bean replaced this morning at 9 o'clock, but when I got there, my tires hadn't shown up yet. They were supposed to be there. I ordered them last Monday, and they were supposed to be there Thursday, and something about having to go through a third party to get the tires because I can't just go to a dealer to pick my tires up because they're not a normal size. They're like 215, 40, 18s, so they're not like a normal size. You just can't go to any dealer and buy them. You have to order them in advance. So lesson learned, next time I order them, I'll tell them to call me when the tires actually show up instead of taking their word for when they get here. So most of today was sat around waiting for somebody to call me because they were supposed to call me when the tires showed up. And I didn't want to be in the middle of doing something like painting or something and have somebody call me, oh, and your tires are here, you come on down. So, but anyway, on my way home from the first time I went to the tire shop, I got my Revell 29 Model A Roadster kit for the Rambler 69 Appreciation Group build. I thought I had this kit, and it seems like I don't. I looked all over my stash. I have the 30. I have the 32, but I don't have this one, I guess. But if I do have it, hey, you know what? This is one of those kits, like any Model A, that you could build multiple ways and have a blast doing it. So I got this in the mail today, and looking forward to building it. And last weekend, I ordered some parts from Iceman Collections. I showed the picture of the car that's the inspiration that I would like to build. I got a couple of bomber seats. I don't know if you can drill 3D printed parts because the car I'm not going to replicate it exactly one for one, but the car that I'm using for inspiration has holes in the seats, and I don't know if I can drill 3D printed stuff or not. If not, well, I'll just leave the seats the way they are. And I got these really, really sweet, I think they're listed as Firestones on the website. And I learned, I was wondering how I was going to paint them because they have white walls. And found out that, playing around with them, and I took them out of the package, that the white walls are separate. And there's the wheels. Got some of the, I think they're called artillery wheels that I want to use on it. Nice tire and wheel combo. I think those will look really good on it. And then after I got my tires installed, I stopped at the hobby shop because it was like a 2-minute drive down the street, and I bought the colors I want to use on the car. The car I want to model is green, and it's a beautiful shade of green. I don't know if this is the same color that they used for the Stacy David 32 Roadster that I see a lot of. That I guess the other 32, the Revell 32, the new version is based on. So I want to paint it green, and then I bought a can of this is called Silver Diamond Dust, and I guess for this color you have to use a silver base. Something I haven't done before is, and I don't know if some of you guys can tell me, do you primer it and then put the silver on and then put the green on, or do you just paint the silver on the body after I get it cleaned up, or how that's going to work out? I don't know. And also, I was watching one of Tom's older videos, and I think it was about the 29 Model A, where he was saying that somebody said that a true hot rod doesn't have fenders. I'm an oddball, I guess, because I am somebody who likes the Model A's with their fenders on. My Model A Victoria that I want to build someday is going to have the fenders on it because I like the fenders. I think it's part of the style of the car. And I was kind of curious, is that the difference between a hot rod and a street rod? Because, I don't know. I like 32s and I like them both ways, but I'm more of a fender person because I like things different. So anyway, that's all I've got done. I didn't do any much modeling this weekend as I wanted to because of the whole waiting for somebody to call me situation. I'm also curious. Not curious, I shouldn't say that. I also want to. I'm going to the IPMS club meeting next Sunday. So I won't be doing anything then. I'll probably get some inspiration. I shouldn't be gone. I won't be gone all day. I got home pretty early, so maybe next Sunday I will be doing a little bit of modeling. I might do some tonight. I don't know yet. But then if I'm going to the meeting on Sunday, Monday I have to do my laundry. So, but it is going to be great having a couple of decent tires on my car. Because I was driving around for a long time on a spare and a tire with a gouge in the sidewall, and I had to baby it for so long, for a week or two. I'm looking forward to enjoying some spirited motoring again. It's one of the things I love about my car. It's not fast in a straight line, but my God, that little car will go around corners like you wouldn't believe. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. I hope everybody has a great week. Tomorrow is my Monday. Not really looking forward to going to work. I just want to stay home and play with cars. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, has a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.